Hello, my little artist. Today we're going to draw a super cute dog together. Ready? Let's go. First, let's start with the head. Draw a nice round shape. Perfect. Now, let's add two fluffy ears on the sides. Exactly, beautiful. Time for the eyes. Make two big circles. Inside each circle, draw two tiny white circles. Don't color them. They show the shiny sparkle in the eyes. You're amazing, artist! Now, above the eyes, let's add two little eyebrows. Cute, right? Next, two cheeks. And after that, draw the nose. It's like a small oval. Leave a tiny spot inside, empty, to make it shiny. Under the nose, let's make a happy smiling mouth. And after that, add a funny tongue inside the mouth. Yum yum. Great job. Now, let's draw the body. 4 legs, and of course, a waggy tail. Wow, our dog is ready. Now it's time to color. Actually, you can use any colors you like. Brown, black, white, or even rainbow. It's your dog, so use your imagination. And of course, remember this. Try to color carefully and don't go outside the lines. If you're having fun drawing with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Happy Pencil for more cute drawing. I love it. Good job, my little artist. Love you all and see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.